This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 31 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. This issue, we are, funnily enough, continuing the index finger. There must only be a couple of weeks to go on this now, but yeah. We are going to look at Thor versus Thanos. You know who's going to win. It's going to be Thanos, isn't it? Until the end. But yeah, there we go. Look at all the pictures there and read all the words if you so desire. The index finger part 8. There we go. We are putting starting the cover on the top there, putting a screw in, and then a little plug to cover over the screws. Quite cool, quite a nice idea. And that's that. So far, so good. Nearly assembling it onto the gauntlet, but not yet. Stranger who came from beyond. Stranger, and he came from beyond. I don't know where he came from exactly, but it was certainly beyond here. But there we go. That's that. And Dan Jurgens. Multiversal. He didn't come up with the multiverse, but he obviously paints and draws into the multiverse by the looks of it. So let's get this finger built a little bit further and finish this month's delivery. Right, here we have what we've been building for the last couple of months and the last little bit of it to go together. This is going onto there, obviously covering over there, covering over all the plasticky bits with metal goodness. That should just slide down by the looks of it. I have to bend the finger open to get to it. There we go. That goes on there and starts to look very, very impressive. Except it's not quite on there. It's got to be that way round. It's the only way round that will fit. But you need to make sure that that goes all the way into there. Just like this one hasn't. Too high. Got to go a little bit lower, I think. There we go. That's better. That has gone into there. So we need a screw to put that together. I've used up all the screws from my open packets. So I shall have to open this and remove a single screw. They're very generous with the screws on this one. Normally you get one spare, but this one they seem to give me 2 spares in most packs. So yeah, we're not going to be running out of screws anytime soon. Always keep your spares because you never know when you might need them. So this one is going to go in there and that will hold that plating nice and secure. Make sure it's done up because once you put this plug in, I don't know that you're going to be getting that out in a hurry. I was going to get back to you and let you know about the inside piece here. It was all lined up. It couldn't really not be lined up. And it doesn't seem to close properly, but it does when you get it a little bit further. It sort of then shuts, as you can see happening just there. So yeah, it's a little bit quieter as well. I don't know if that's coming across on camera or not, but it is. So that's all good. This piece obviously just fits in there. Not magnetic or anything, it is just a press fit. Oh, it's just like the brace bit like that. So yeah, that's quite cool. That does the job, doesn't it? Looks the piece and doesn't leave any exposed screw holes at all. So yeah, there we have, as I say, the completed finger. Look, it's just one of them index fingers, but a little bit bigger. There we have it, all good to go. Joints and everything working as intended, ready to be installed to the hand after we've put basically these bits on those. So probably 2 more issues for that, maybe 3 depending on what else needs to be done. And then I assume we're not going to install it because there's no way of installing it on half of a gauntlet. So we'll just be putting it aside while we build the rest of the fingers, which are probably much the same again. This is going to be a semi-repetitive build, I think. Now, thumb was different, but this finger is going to be the prime for the other 3 fingers that we're going to have to do. So it's a long haul, but it's worthwhile because that's lovely, isn't it? Look. Not so sure about that when it's open, though. Doesn't feel like that's quite lined up on there. Going to see that bit in there, but I don't know that there's any way of doing anything about that. Oh well, right. That's that. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment and let me know what you think. And I shall see you for more of this very soon, or more of other things even sooner. So, stay safe. Bye-bye for now.